Hello friends, in this video I will telling you how you can make your wallet in myetherwallet.com. And guys, first thing you need to do is please subscribe to my channel ICO News and click on the bell icon so that you can get further future notification of my videos that I uploaded, and so that you can get ICO news about the promising ICOs. Like I have shared the video about Stokia which will be probably 10xing money of their investors. And now guys, you need to open, first of all you need to open the Google and write my ether wallet and click and open the first link, myetherwallet.com. And guys, please, I'm advising you one thing: please be careful, don't ever get fished, because some websites are displaying like myetherwallet.com slash xyzabc or any other random digits. And guys, don't go to there, because if you go to there, you if you log in from there, they will get they will they will get your all information or your privacy, and they will withdraw your Ethereum and other coins. So guys, please be careful that you are entering from myetherwallet.com, and please be not get fished. And first of all, you need to select a sound password and click on create new wallet. And guys, then you need to download JSON file on your desktop. Guys, please be sure that you don't lost this file. If you lost this file, you will lost all your withdrawals, and there's no way to recover it, because as you can see that we are not entering our email, Gmail, or phone number or any identity mark anywhere. So guys, please don't lost it, and save it to it on your desktop, email, Facebook, and mobile devices, on all devices, because if a person can get this, they cannot hack your account. And guys, then click on OK, I understand, and copy your private key. And about it also, save it on a private and secure device, because anybody can, if somebody access this private key and your JSON file, he will probably be withdrawing your all Ethereum and other tokens. Go there, save your address, and now close the tab. Your account is made successfully. Go again to myetherwallet.com. Now click on to view wallet info and click on JSON file. Select the file where you have saved. I've saved it here, so I'm selecting it. After selecting it, enter your password and then click on unlock. And guys, this is your main portfolio, and this is your public Ethereum wallet ether wallet address. You If you send ether to this wallet, it will be displaying in here account balances, and this is your account icon. Every account has the different icon and address. And guys, if you want to again download a JSON file, you can click on here, and the JSON file will be downloaded again. And this is your private key. You should not show it to anyone or send to anyone, and this is your private key also. And if you click on it, it will black and it will become dotted. And guys, it's your portfolio, and you have got zero balance of BTC and Ripple on every token. And if you have balance, it will be displayed in here. And guys, in my next in the description, I will be giving a video in which you can learn how to add custom tokens, or how can you receive token into your ether wallet account from any website in which token you applied. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to my channel.